Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm so excited. I just received the iPad Air 3 and the Apple Pencil to match with it as a gift for my anniversary, and I'm so excited to unbox it with everybody. Just got the gift just now and I'm so happy. I can't wait to open it. So just so excited because I wanted something so I can take notes at church with, and something that I could just play with so I don't have to always carry around my so I don't have to carry my computer everywhere I go all the time, because I have the MacBook Air, but I wanted, and that's already light enough, but I wanted something in addition to it. And this is the Apple Pencil to go with it, and this is my new Apple iPad Air. Now I got the color rose gold. They just have it listed as gold. I don't know why they're saying it's gold, because it's still rose gold. I just feel like they didn't want to use the same name, rose gold, so I feel like they're trying to, like, you know, give it a new name every time. So stick around and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this on camera. Yay! So here we go. Gonna start by opening it like this and get the plastic all off. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. So when you open it, this is the iPad. We'll set that down for a second. And then here's the lightning charger. Okay. And then go ahead and open this. And the other part of the charger. Go ahead and pull it up. Just gonna see, we might need to charge it. Now, I've had an iPad before. This really is not my first iPad that I've had. Go ahead and plug this in. So I plugged that in. And then this is just the instructions. It says designed by Apple in California, nothing new. Okay. iPad Air, just some instructions. And then it comes with some stickers, some Apple stickers. It's pretty small size. Comment down below, tell me what you do. You guys actually ever use these stickers? Because I feel like they always come with every Apple item, and I never use it for anything. Okay, so let's get the box out of the way now. And we don't forget, we have the pencil as well. So we'll do one thing at a time. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on. So it looks like it needs to charge. So I'm going to charge it a little bit off camera and then I'll be right back. But before we do, let's go ahead and finish taking off everything off, the wrapping off of this. And I got it in the rose gold color. They call it gold because they said that in certain lightings it appear gold, and that is so true. And then in some lightings it appear rose gold. So okay, so it looks like we need to charge it. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. Okay, it's turning on, guys. Oh my god, it's turning on. It says hello. Press the home button to open. And then we're gonna go with English, I suppose. Just gonna zoom in so you guys can see. I'm gonna go with English. It says select your country, United States. It says quick start. It says quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my iPhone. It says hold your new iPad up to the camera. Okay. Oh, this is so easy. So I'll put my phone here. And then it says setting up your iPad. Oh my god, this is so exciting. It may take a few minutes. And it says data privacy. This icon appears when an Apple feature. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit continue. And then it says use your fingerprint in place of your passcode to set up Touch ID. So I'm gonna set up Touch ID. Okay, adjust your grip. It says keep going to capture the edges. And it says setting up your Apple ID. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit agree to the terms. True tone display. It adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. Okay. Sure. Software update. Download. Agree. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit install now. It says verify and update. Okay, blank screen. It's probably gonna come right back on anytime soon. This is so easy to set up, guys. I usually set up my Apple products like in the Apple Store. And for some reason, it's not just the Apple Store, but it's also the Verizon Store as well. Whenever I try to like set up in the store, their internet is so bad. I mean, the worst. It's so slow. But for some reason, I guess because I'm home and I'm setting it, you would think that because they're a store and they, you know, are expected to set up people's phones and stuff, that their internet would be fast. But I've had pretty good bad experiences in the past, so this time I just said let me just take this home and let me install it myself. That way I can do a proper unboxing as well. I decided to do an unboxing video, which will be better at home anyways, but I'm realizing that setup is a lot faster at home. We're just gonna let that go ahead and run to the end, and I'll be right back. So now we're back to this screen. Okay. As restore complete, continue. So Siri. This appearance, select a light or dark appearance and see iOS adjust according to what you choose. So we'll go with the light. Quick access to the dock. Oh, okay, that's nice. Switch between recent apps. Okay, that's convenient. Quickly access controls. It says welcome to iPad. Guys, we did it. Yay. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We're gonna do the unboxing for the Apple Pencil in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification, the bell, so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Bye.